Ever found yourself scrolling through your banking app or maybe walking past a branch and wondering, Westpac, what does that even stand for? It's a familiar name, a financial giant down under, but the full story behind that moniker is actually quite interesting and hints at the bank's origins. Think about some of the biggest companies you know. Often, their names are abbreviations or combinations that reflect their history or core business. For instance, IBM used to be the International Business Machines Corporation. So, what about Westpac? Is it simply a catchy, modern name, or does it have deeper roots? To truly understand the name Westpac, we need to take a little trip back in time, specifically to the early 1980s in Australia. The financial landscape was undergoing some significant shifts, and two prominent banks were poised to come together in a landmark merger. These weren't small players, they were the Bank of New South Wales and the Commercial Bank of Australia. The Bank of New South Wales, with its long and storied history dating back to 1817, was a major force in Australian banking. Similarly, the Commercial Bank of Australia, established in 1866, had built a strong reputation and a widespread network. When these two institutions decided to join forces, they needed a new name that would represent their combined strength and future aspirations. This is where Westpac comes into the picture. It wasn't just pulled out of thin air. Instead, it was carefully crafted to reflect the geographical focus and ambitions of the newly merged entity. The West part of the name is a clear nod to the bank's strong presence and heritage in Western Australia. The PAC, on the other hand, is an abbreviation of Pacific. So, putting it all together, Westpac stands for Western Pacific Banking Corporation. It's a name that encapsulates the bank's origins in Western Australia and its broader vision to be a significant player in the wider Pacific region. This wasn't just about two banks becoming one, it was about creating a financial institution with a national footprint and international aspirations. The choice of Westpac was strategic. It was concise, memorable, and hinted at a larger scope than just the individual states where the predecessor banks were primarily based. It signaled a forward-thinking approach and an ambition to serve customers across the vast Australian continent and beyond into the Pacific Islands and other neighboring regions. Over the years, Westpac has certainly lived up to the Pacific part of its name, establishing operations and building relationships across various countries in the region. So, the next time you see the name Westpac, remember that it's more than just a label. It's a testament to a significant moment in Australian banking history and a reflection of the institution's geographical roots and broader ambitions in the Western Pacific. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.